Thanks for joining us as we take a tour of the French Quarter Lounge on Deck 3 of Disney Wonder. We publish 3 new videos each week, including cruises, hotels, airport lounges, Disney trips, and more, so be sure to subscribe to be notified about our new videos. The French Quarter Lounge is located just around the corner from the aft elevator bank on Deck 3. This video was taken mid-morning, and as such, the lounge was not very busy. The lounge does host numerous activities throughout the day, including some music performances. The lounge is one of several places on the ship to meet to enjoy coffee in the morning or throughout the day. There is also a full bar, so you have your choice of your preferred drink or various specialty cocktails. A menu is available to help you choose. The coffees at the French Quarter Lounge had various Disney characters printed on the foam. It was a nice touch and fun to see which character you would get. The lounge did offer a beignet special, which we took advantage of on one morning. The beignets weren't quite the same as those you get in New Orleans, but they were a fun treat. You do not need to order anything to sit in the lounge. You can choose the lounge to read, do some work, or just to chat. The waiters will check in on you to make sure you're taken care of, but there isn't any pressure to order. If you haven't already, check out our Disney Wonder Deck 3 full tour video linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified about our new videos.